Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create AI art in Leonardo AI in 2026. So if you want to generate stunning artwork, character designs, fantasy scenes, or realistic images using AI, Leonardo AI makes the process incredibly simple. First, sign in to your Leonardo AI account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the image generation tools and creative features. Next, click the option to create a new image. This will open the generation workspace where you'll enter your prompt and customize the settings. Now type a detailed description of the artwork you want to create. Try to include the subject, environment, colors, lighting, style, and overall mood. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will usually be. Once you're satisfied with the image, use the available options to upscale, enhance, or download the final result. Finally, keep experimenting with different prompts, styles, and artistic ideas. So the more you practice, the better your AI art creations will become. And that's it. That's how to create AI art in Leonardo AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.